Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunjwal, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old, and today I am going to show you an easy experiment to do at home. First of all, we only require scissors, tape, water and a bottle. First of all, you need to take the needle and do a hole in the bottom. Now take the cello tape and cut it with the help of scissors. Now you need to place the cello tape where you have placed the hole. Now you need to open the cap of bottle and fill it with water. So now you can see water is not coming out, and I am going to take off the cello tape. Still the water does not come out because the air is not pushing the water, that's why. Now I am going to again put the cello tape on the hole. Now I am going to take off the cap. Water will come out. Now if I will close the cap, then also the continuously water is coming out. This all happens because of the air pressure. That's for it today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.